Now you can select any product you want. I am choosing this one. Click on the text link, copy this affiliate link. Go to Quora answer, write something relevant. This is the best-selling running shoes on Amazon. Then add your affiliate link. Click on post. And your answer is published with the Amazon. When someone clicks this link and buys something, we will get paid. This is just a demo to show you the process. In general, follow 3 steps. Step 1. Find relevant questions on Quora. Step 2. Use Chat GPT to generate the answers. Step 3. Find related products on Amazon. And add affiliate links. Now you can select any product you want. I am choosing this one. Click on the text link, copy this affiliate link. Go to Quora answer, write something relevant. This is the best-selling running shoes on Amazon. Then add your affiliate link. Click on post. And your answer is published with the Amazon. When someone clicks this link and buys something, we will get paid. This is just a demo to show you the process. In general, follow 3 steps. Step 1. Find relevant questions on Quora. Step 2. Use Chat GPT to generate the answers. Step 3. Find related products on Amazon. And add affiliate links in the answer.